Hey, this is Jimmy from Chef Unit, and today I'm gonna show you a little tutorial on how this food van works. Okay, as we head in, this is your breaker panel. You got your AC mini split, which is this breaker, 30 amp, and then you got your LED sign slash outlet number 4. The top one, you got your outlet number 1, 2, and 3 for your hologram. This will be your breaker. Your third breaker will be your cold prep table and your under-counter refrigerator. And the last one will be your interior lights and your HUD lights, as well as your extractor. And then to your right, these bottom 2 breakers will be your water heater and your water pump. So here to the left, you got your AC mini split, you got your paper dispenser, you got your wash area, you got your wash, your rinse, your sanitizing area, you got your wash, hands only area, you got your soap dispenser, you got your water pump and water heater. So you want to flick the switch, that means the water pump is on. Water should be flowing out perfectly. Okay, so the first thing you want to do before you turn on your appliances, you want to make sure that you turn on the extractor of your hood vent. Once that is on, you can turn on any appliance that you need. Okay, so before you turn on your hot plate, you want to make sure that you have propane in your system and that propane is going through. You want to turn on the hot plate valve. Turn it in the vertical position. Once you get close, you should start hearing a little hissing sound. And to the further back, you should see a little pilot. What you want to do is light that up. The pilot is lit. All you want to do is turn on knob and it should be ready. Okay, heading towards the next one, the griddle. Put the griddle on the on position. Gas should be flowing through. You should start hearing a little hissing sound. Underneath, you should see a clear pilot. Turn the knob and the heating element should turn on. Third one will be your steam table, your gas steam table. You want to make sure that you turn on the valve for that one. Once you turn on the valve, you want to come down here. Underneath, you should clearly see the pilot light as day. The pilot should be this little thing at the nozzle. So once you turn that on, you want to twist it a little bit and you should see fire spreading out. Okay, over here to the right, you got your cold prep table. Simple as easy. You got your controls over here, your on and off. Below, you got your under-counter refrigerator as well. Turbo air, on and off, control module. Okay. Over here to the right, you got your fire suppression system. You got your 5-pointer extinguisher. Over here to the left, you got your handle just in case you have a large fire on the griddle or on the hot plate. Okay, so over here to the left, you got your aguas frescas section. You got your little sliding modules as well. Easy to take out liquids, fill them up. This is your ice bin tray to keep the ice. So this is your display hydraulic rails. You got your on, off, and on system. So both ways is still on. So once this is in the on position, you can retract the door and the shelf. In order to start retracting the doors, you want to press the letter C on the key fob. Just press it once and it will start retracting back. Once the shelf has fully retracted, the door will automatically start closing in. Alright, on this corner of the van, you got your 50-amp adapter down here. You got your outlet number 3. You got your LED sign switch. This will turn on the LEDs all around the vehicle. And then over here to the top right, you have your laser light switch, will turn on the lasers on top. Okay, so this vehicle is equipped with under LED lights. This will be your switch for that. Meaning that once you flick the switch on, you should see some colorful lights at the very bottom, some LED lights. Okay, on this right side of the van, you should see the water inlet. Down here, you will have your water waste valve. This is your water waste valve. Once you open the lever, water should be ready to come out. Twist it open and water should come out slowly. If you want to close that, push the lever inside. In the back of the vehicle, you will have your inverter, your battery bank that will last up to 8 hours when it's fully charged. This is your battery bank. That's your inverter. That converts the 12 volts to 110 output. Over here to the right, you got your water pump, you got your water heater. Alfonso?